Alright guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to show you how to install Maintop software on Windows 11. But first and foremost, I need to make you see that this is actually Windows 11, not Windows 10. Well, one way you know is like this. Can you see? This is Windows 11. If you look at the sidebar, the task bar here as well, that is how Windows 11 looks like, right? And if we go to system information, or better still, let's come to here, right click on this PC, show more options. Let's go to properties. While this is ongoing, right, so you see, scroll down, Windows 11 Pro. Can you see that? Perfect. 24H2. So most people have asked me the question, can you install Maintop on Windows 11? Well, this is it, right? So how do you do it? Well, it's basically the same thing. So you get a Maintop file, which is your regular Maintop. Come to desktop. Down in the link to this video, I'm going to leave a folder in my Google Drive link for this particular folder, so you can get access to this. If your machine is a KC board, you can get the driver for KC board here. And if your machine is a Jinge G model, you get the driver for this. So I'll leave this folder here. So your regular Maintop, just install it. The only problem with this is that if you install it, it's not going to work. And it's not going to work because of these two settings that you need to uncheck in your Windows to be able to make it work. So if you come to start, right, you type features, incoming features. So this thing called turn Windows features on or off. So once you find it, just click open. Then it's going to take a bit to load up some features that make your machine work. Now, let me show you what error you're going to get if you use it this way. So let's go to pictures. Perfect. So this is the error. If you don't fix this problem, this is the error you're going to get. Give me 1 minute. So we're going to open this up with photos, so you'll see what I mean in a bit. So if you don't check these particular settings that I'm talking about, you're going to get this particular error. Sorry, this application cannot run under a virtual machine. So a virtual machine is like when you're using like a VMware or VMbox. What virtual machines do is that they help you to run your machine in a virtual environment. So if you want to install a Macintosh OS on your Windows, you need a virtual machine. If you want to install Linux or Ubuntu into your Windows, you're going to need a virtual machine. Now, the problem is that Windows 11 comes with an auto virtual machine, and that's why you have the problem of that particular error. So what you do, and that's why we come to this place. So what you do is basically to come to this section here, right, and search for two things. Basically, the first one that you want to search for is this virtual machine platform. The second one is the Windows Hypervisor platform. You make sure, normally if you check them like this, and then if you check it like this, your Maintop is going to stop working because automatically you have told it to get into a virtual machine. And then the last one is the Hyper-V. If you check these three, your Maintop is not going to work, right? So, but what we're going to do is that we're going to uncheck them, and then we're going to uncheck all three of them. Once you do that, you click OK, right? And then if you close your window, your Maintop now, and search for Maintop, and click on it, you're going to get Maintop working on your system, right? So if you ever have that problem, that's precisely what you need to do. Now, if you run into any other problems other than this, I want you to leave a comment in the comment section below, or send a message to me on WhatsApp, and I'll be glad to assist you. In the meantime, I want you to hit subscribe button, hit the like button, turn on the notification bell if this has been helpful to you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Take care.